Here yesterday. I was trying to teach somebody how to jive, not very successfully because she didn't know the steps, but I did my best. Now here come, this is threaded among it, this is for the real enthusiast. Oh, the Hells Angels, first of all. Not the Hells Angels, apparently. One Hells Angel.
Just the one.
Motorcycling people get very angry if you get this kind of thing wrong.
Well, is that 60s or 70s?
Through the ages.
I think through the ages. This is Snob, as he's known. The Royal Hells Angel. He's bang in the middle there. And he's the first angel to take part in a royal event, we're told. Experts in the field will know, perhaps, whether it is a Harley Davidson he's riding. I think it is.
Fear not, many lads. We'll jolly them up with a merry laughing cry, don't you all? Ladies and gentlemen, the groom, sir. I'll examine, sir.
So 49 bikers, one for each year of the Queen's reign. And of course, if we were really back in the 50s and the 60s, it'd be where are the motor scooters? The mods.
Yeah, haven't seen one yet.
No, because this is, well, I don't know where they're rocker origin, but I don't know whether you've got mods. You got mods in your parade? No.
No. We were going
Anyway,
to
there they go, roaring down. What a terrific sight. Ah, that's better. Snob with the sign. He looks as if he's going to come charging straight up the Victoria. No, he's come to a halt. Right in front of the Queen. Quite a funny sight, and they're waving at the Queen, and the royal family waving back.
Got one of the biggest cheers.
Terrific cheer going up for them as they go round with the St. George's flag or the Union flag flying. I think there was a lot of competition to do that. Burn up the Victoria Memorial. No police to stop them. And a motorbike and sidecar left at the back.
It's just on a wheelie, one of them. One of them's just on a wheelie.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, the scrambler bike there.
Yes.
Motocross bike.
I don't think they'll get rid of them now they've started.
No.
There's speedway all the way around.
Chopper bikes. Let's talk about chopper bikes a minute.
I'm not sure about the legal position of not wearing a helmet on a three-wheeler.
There was a discussion whether to follow the time,
And was there?
seatbelts and all that.
Seatbelts and
They didn't
yes.
come into the 60s.
Yes.
So did bears sitting sidecars in the 50s?
Yeah,
It was legal in those
it's
days.
legal.
Do you reckon the Queen's ever ridden on a motorbike?
I don't know. I think so. Duke of Edinburgh arrived at the Windsor Horse Show on a motorbike just the other day. Did you see that picture?
No.
Oh. Very dashing.